guys, it's your girl So Fine. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, you already know what it is. Let's get into this video. If you've ever looked at your scalp and noticed you have white flakes, or when you scratch it, you notice that you would feel some residue underneath your nails. If you have, you're probably questioning, is your scalp dry? Do you have product buildup? But the tricky part is that both these two are almost identical, but they need two completely different solutions. If you're treating buildup like dryness or dryness like buildup, you can actually make the problem a little worse. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to tell the difference, what causes each, and how we can fix it. Let's get into it. Alright, so the reason why so many people mix up these two is because they both leave flakes in your hair. They both can make your scalp itchy, and both of these things can make your locks look really dull. But underneath, they are two completely different issues. So think of it like this. If your skin feels dry, you're gonna put on some lotion. But if your skin is covered in some sunscreen or makeup, adding lotion isn't gonna clean it. All it does is add another layer. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash it. That's exactly what's happening on your scalp. One problem needs moisture, one problem needs cleansing. Knowing which one now is the first step. All right, so let's start with dry scalp. Dry scalp happens when your scalp isn't producing enough moisture. This can happen during the winter months, when you're washing it too often, harsh shampoo, maybe if you're putting medication in your hair, dehydration, or even just skin conditions. Some of these signs that you have dry scalp can be the white flakes, like I mentioned before. Your scalp feels a little tight after washing. And even if your scalp may look a little dull or ashy. One thing that I noticed when a lot of people that have dry scalp scratch their hair, the flakes are normally light and powdery. It's almost like tiny snowflakes. If this sounds familiar, then you're dealing with dryness. Now let's talk about buildup. And this is especially common if you have locks. Every oil, every cream, every gel, every edge control, dry shampoo, leave-in conditioner, like eventually all of this has to come off. And when those products aren't fully washed away, they start layering on top of each other. Signs of buildup can include flakes that feel waxy or sticky. Your scalp feels greasy, but it's still itchy. Sometimes you even notice, like if you squeeze or play through your locks, that you'll notice that you can find the gunk or whatever that product that you had is still in your lock. And here's something that a lot of people don't realize. Adding more oil does not remove buildup. Literally, oil sitting on top of old oil is not helping the situation. All right, so here are a couple of ways that you can figure out which one you're dealing with. The first test could be rubbing the flakes between your fingers. If they disappear like powder, then it's dry scalp. If they smear or feel sticky, then it's buildup. Next, try test number 2. Think about your wash routine. Have you gone a long time without a clarifying wash? Like those two point towards buildup. And test number 3. What happens after wash day? Does your scalp immediately feel dry and tight? Then you're probably lacking some moisture. If your scalp feels a little coated, then that means your shampoo may not be doing exactly what it needs to be doing. And it's not removing all of the residue, all the oils, and stripping your hair of the oils in your hair. Now, if your scalp is actually dry, here's what I would recommend. Using a gentle moisturizing shampoo, of course, drinking plenty of water, and avoid extremely hot water when washing. I know this can be a little tempting because we like the steam, we like the heat, but no. If you oil your scalp, just use a really small amount, because more oil doesn't actually equal more moisture. Oil just helps to seal in the moisture. It doesn't create moisture. Now, if you're dealing with buildup, the goal is to reset your scalp. So try using a clarifying shampoo every couple of weeks. And make sure you're really massaging and getting into your scalp with every wash. I have a brush, a silicone brush that I use when I'm washing my hair. It'll be linked down in my Amazon storefront. Check that out. It really helps. It works wonders. For locks, honestly, I've said this time and time again, less is more. You do not need to have 5 different oils in your hair because that is what's contributing to the buildup. Just keep your routine simple and your scalp will definitely thank you. Oh, and one more thing before we wrap up. Sometimes it is a dry scalp or buildup. If your flakes are yellow, oily, or your scalp is extremely itchy or inflamed, it could be something like dandruff or another scalp condition. If you've tried changing your routine and for several weeks and nothing has changed, it's worth going to see a dermatologist. Remember, healthy locks start with a healthy scalp. I hope this video finally helped you to figure out if you're dealing with dry scalp or product buildup, but I'd love to know in the comments, which one do you think you're dealing with if you are? If this video has helped you, don't forget to like this video with a thumbs up, hit your bell notification so you're notified every time I post, and subscribe if you're not already. Because I post all things locks, healthy hair, and everything I've learned throughout my lock journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay cute and stay fine.